the Miss Yancy Network, where your network is your net worth. Alright guys, this is a safe place for all girl bosses, entrepreneurs, or anyone that is ready to create generational wealth to change their life. But anyway guys, today we're going to be talking about the packaging that I use for my signature body butter. If you guys do not know, I am the founder and CEO of MarthaLorine Organics, a handmade vegan skincare line. We handmade all of our products, and one of the main products that we have in our store right now is the signature body butter. It is also our best seller, and people ask me all the time, about the packaging. They really love it. Hopefully I'm able to help you out. I just wanted to show you guys, the packaging that we use, tell you a little bit about it and why I chose it and the company and all that stuff. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so this is our signature body butter. This is made from shea butter, cocoa butter, vitamin E oil, boab oil, a whole bunch of different natural essential oils. If you're somebody that suffers from eczema, dry skin, this is curated for all skin types. So if you're somebody that has extremely sensitive skin, which is the reason why I actually created my own body butter. But anyways, this is what it comes in. This is already I whipped the butter and I've already put it in the jar, but this is our packaging, and I just wanted to show you guys a little what it looks like prior to me actually putting the labels on the jar, so you can see what it looks like. This is the lid. The lid is actually made from 100% bamboo, and then it's just this is a regular plastic jar, but this is BPA free, so you will be able to put hot water and things like that, and it shouldn't release any type of chemicals in there, and it could sit out in the heat, and there shouldn't be any type of toxic chemical whatever coming out of there. But I just wanted to make sure, as a vegan skincare company, I wanted to make sure I cover all my bases of making sure that I was providing quality products as well as quality packaging. I'm very big on packaging, and I'm very big on aesthetics. So this is what it looks like, and right in here, if you see the inside, it has I would say like a styrofoam kind of thing. I'm not sure what this thing is called, but this little white cover inside. When you buy, usually when you buy your lotion, there's this little cover inside. It's like a protective. It's protecting the body butter and just making sure it's keeping it as sanitary as possible. So it comes with this little thing in here. I don't know what it's called, but I like it. It came with this other plastic cover. I forgot what it's called, but I don't use it because I fill the jar. I try to get as much body butter in it as possible, for my customers. So if you're one of the lucky ones that got the body butter that is filled to the top, congratulations, sis. but yeah, so this is the body butter. That's what it looks like in there. And so I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Yeah, so that's our body butter. And if you guys have one of these, you're a glow babe. Congratulations, glow babe, because I know when you're wearing this, you are glowing. Alright y'all, so let's get to the reason why I actually created this video. I wanted to show you guys the labels that I use for my jars. And I have, if you can see behind me, I have a lot of body butters that I have to put labels on because I have a lot of orders that I have to process today. And usually what I do is I create a massive amount, or I make them in small batches anyway, but I create a certain amount, and that's what I put on my store, for inventory. And then after I make the body butter, after I whip the body butter and I put it in the jars, then I stack them up on here, and then take another day or separate time to label all of them at the same time. So I'm gonna be doing that today with you guys. So as you can see right here, this is where I keep my body butters. This is a regular bookshelf, and this is where I house them. This is literally like my warehouse for now, y'all, because I am manifesting my warehouse to be 10 times bigger than this. But yes y'all, so this is where they sit. Get my phone. This is where all my body butters sit. So if you're wondering where your body butters is sitting, this is where it is, y'all. I'm gonna show you guys the actual labels that I put on my body butters and basically what they look like. Alright guys, so this is my label. I usually get a roll of labels. First of all, it's cheaper. I won't say necessarily cheaper, but yeah, I think I don't know. Honestly, I don't know if it's cheaper, but I get my label in a roll like this. This right here is 250 labels. So I am able to label about 250 orders of body butters, you know, the jars or whatever. And so this is what it comes like. So as far as like, you know, the design and stuff of my labels, I'll tell you guys in another video, because I actually went to a designer for the labels that designed my labels, and then I sent the design of the label to Sticker Giant, and Sticker Giant, which is a company that prints stickers and labels and things like that, and then they took that design and printed it out on like this paper, on this label paper. So the label paper that I use for my products, they're all like what is it, they're like plastic labels, so they're not paper labels. I don't know if you guys have dealt with any type of paper labels where if it gets wet and it starts to peel off and it just looks gross, and I don't like that. You know, I like quality, and so I suggest that you guys get the, you know, the plastic type labels, because not only, you know, will it save you, like if you decided to label your jars first before you put the body butters in there or your products in the jars, if some of it got on the label, it's not going to, you know, ruin the label. You're able to just, you know, wipe it off and clean it off. So that's one of the reasons why I also did it. And then also, you know, my products, people keep it in the bathroom and sometimes it may get wet. I don't want it to ruin the aesthetics of my products. I don't want it to ruin the look of the jars or ruin the look of the label, especially if people, you know, some people, they keep their products on their vanity, which is also like a decoration as well. So if you want your labels, your vanity looking good, don't worry. Our stickers, our labels are not going to fade. It is not going to get ruined by water or anything like that. If this happen to fall in the shower, I don't know why it's gonna be in the shower. Some people might want their, you know, their body butters close to their shower just to let them know how much they're about to glow after the shower. Comment below if you have any questions about, you know, the process and stuff like that, and I can help you guys out. I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my labels and what they look like when I first get it in the mail. So I'm gonna get closer to the camera so you guys can see what they look like. So my labels, you can see that it has this is my logo, my MarthaLorine logo. I'm going to change that because I trademarked my logo and I wanted to have the trademark sign next to my logo. And then as you can see, it has, you know, the signature body butter. And then this has handmade right here. So let the people know it's handmade. And then I have like this little slogan, the luxurious feeling of healthy skin, because you will be experiencing that luxury. Okay, when you try our body butter, it is pure luxury. Ask our glow babes, they can tell you all about it. And then, you know, on this side it has application, you know, how to use it on your skin and your hair. And then on the other side it has the ingredients. So I have all the ingredients, and I have, like, you know, all the information letting you know that it has no parabens, pretty much that this is all natural product and it's vegan, and we stand by that. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. That's what my labels looks like. And like I said, this is 250 labels in here. I'm telling y'all, depending on the size of your store, this is the best way to go, because it really saves you time, so you don't always have to go and print out new labels and stuff like that. This label is a lifesaver, because in the beginning I used to print out my labels on like sheets of paper, not like literally sheets of paper, but I used to get the sheets version, and honestly it's just a waste of time. And this is so, I think it's, you know, it saves you money, and it's also, you know, less time consuming. So if you're somebody that have to hurry up, if you're in a handmade business, definitely get you the roll. And even if you don't have, like, you know, I'm a new entrepreneur and I can't sit here and say like I get 250 orders a month or a day or whatever, but I'm gonna get there. But no, so this, you know, has lasted me. you know, and it has saved me a lot of time, y'all. So I just thought I'd come on here and show you guys my labels and show you guys where I get it from. Let me know if you have any questions about that, and if you guys, let me know what type of videos you guys want me to make. Hopefully this will help somebody, I don't know, but I hope you have fun. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video and you like my content, please make sure you like this video, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll leave the links to this website that I get my labels from in the description box, and so you could go ahead and, you know, check it out and see how damn they serve you. Now I know some people they have a printer that they print their labels at home. I have a printer as well that I could definitely print my own labels, but guess what, I'd rather use somebody else's ink, okay? Because ink is expensive, so I think it's definitely saves you more money by using somebody else's ink and somebody else's, you know, let somebody else do that work. You already have a lot on your hands that you have to handle. Let somebody else take care of the things such as printing out your labels for you, and all you have to do is put it on your jars or on your products, okay? All right, y'all, catch you on the next video. Love you.
Baby, I back up,